Hi all, welcome to Ellie Logs. In today's video, we are going to simplify one of the most important cloud platform in the world, Microsoft Azure. If you have ever wondered what Microsoft actually is, how companies use it, and why cloud computing is such a big deal today, this video is for you. So, first of all, what's Microsoft Azure exactly? Azure is a cloud computing platform created by Microsoft. Instead of companies buying and maintaining expensive physical servers, Azure allows them to use Microsoft infrastructure through the internet. Today, Azure offers more than 200 cloud services across areas like computing, networking, storage, artificial intelligence, analytics, database, and security. And the best part is organizations can scale resources whenever they need without worrying about hardware management. Now, when we take about cloud environment, there are mainly three approaches. The first one is on-premises, where companies manage everything by themselves. Second is hybrid cloud, where organization combines local infrastructure with Azure cloud services. And finally, full cloud, where everything runs completely in Azure for maximizing flexibility and scalability. This helps them in reduced cost and everything. This cloud first approach is exactly why Azure has become one of the leading cloud platform provider globally. Now, let's understand the three major Azure service models. The first one is Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. Here, Azure provides virtual machines, networking, storage, while companies still manage the operating system and applications. This is commonly used for server migration and traditional workloads. Next is Platform as a Service, PaaS, PaaS. In this model, Azure handles the infrastructure and run environment, so developers can focus only on building applications and APIs without worrying about the server maintenance. And finally, software as a service, SaaS. This is a ready-to-use cloud application delivered directly over internet. Example, Microsoft 365, Dynamic 365, and Azure DevOps. Yes, key benefits of Azure. So, why are companies moving to Azure? One major reason is scalability. Azure allows businesses to scale resources up or down instantly. Depending on the workload demands, it can be managed. This means companies is only paying for what they are actually use. Another huge advantage is security. Azure follows enterprise grade security standards and support multiple companies compliance certifications like ISO, SOC, and GDRP. Then comes cost optimization. Instead of investing huge amount into physical infrastructures, companies can adopt to pay as you go model and reduce operational costs significantly. Finally, Azure has a massive global presence with data centers across multiple regions worldwide, helping businesses achieve low latency and better reliability. These benefits makes Azure suitable for startups, enterprise, and even government organizations. Azure in action. Azure is not just for IT companies. It used across almost every industries today. In healthcare, Azure helps hospitals securely manage patient record and even support AI-assisted diagnostics. In finance and banking, Azure Power fraud detection system, risk analysis, and secure cloud infrastructure. In retail and e-commerce, companies use Azure for recommendation engines, customer analytics, and handle traffic spikes during sales seasons. And core Azure services. Now let's look into some of the core Azure service categories. First is compute. This includes virtual machine, Azure functions, Kubernetes services used to run application and workloads. The next is storages. Azure provides highly scalable and durable storage solutions for files, objects, backups, and data lake. Then comes networking. Azure Networking Service helps securely connect resources using virtual network, VPN gateways, load balancers, and CDNs. Finally, databases. Azure supports both relational and non-SQL databases like Azure SQL and Cosmos DB. These four pillars from foundation of the most of the Azure cloud architectures. Let's talk about Azure Portal and its navigations. Azure Portal is a web-based dashboard where user can create, manage, and monitor all Azure resources from a single interface. The dashboard gives an overview of resources and recent activities. Resource groups helps organize related services together for easier management and billing. Marketplace allows users to deploy pre-built applications and services quickly. Azure Cloud Shell provides a built-in command line environment for running PowerShell or say like commands directly from the browser. If you are starting with Azure, becoming comfortable with the portal is one of the first important steps. Create your free Azure trial account. If you want to start learning Azure practically, Microsoft provides a free account. You can get free credits along with access to the multiple Azure services for learning and experimentations. The sign up process is very simple. Just visit the Azure portal, sign in with the Microsoft account you have, enter your details, verify your phone number, and add code for identity verifications. And don't worry, Azure will not automatically charge your card unless you manually upgrade to paid subscription. So it's a safe and beginner friendly way to explore cloud computing hands on. So that was a complete beginner friendly overview of Microsoft Azure. If you find this video useful, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe for this channel. We'll be covering cloud computing, Azure, AWS, automation, DevOps, M365, and many more real world tech concepts. Also, let me know in the comment what topic you want next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.